Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar. Before we start the analysis, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. So hit the subscribe button, like the video and press the bell notification. And below the video, you will find some links which you can go and check out in your free time. The link I want to mention is this join monthly membership. So in case you want to get maximum benefit out of your trading, then you can click on this link here and check out what you will be getting in the monthly membership, including these analysis of these 15 trades on every weekend. Okay, so go and check the link below after watching this analysis. Okay, now starting with the weekly time frame, starting with the top down approach. So in weekly, we have broken all the previous highs, which means that now it's a pullback or trend reversal. If I look from my eyes, it's a trend reversal to me, I guess. Hopefully, maybe not. Okay. But last time, if you see, it was a trend reversal. So I am showing you all the secrets. Let's skip. I will not tell you. Okay. I'll not tell you what happened here. And the same thing is happening here as well. I will not tell you why, because you're not paying anything. Okay. So just know what you are knowing for free. That's good enough. So here we are in a trend reversal because it's, I think, invisible. This blue candle is eaten by this red candle in the last week. Okay, so now we will go into the downtrend, but weekly is too much time. Nobody's gonna wait for 5 days. So but still I can give you an idea. Weekly we are going down in euro USD. Okay, so coming back to daily chart. In Delhi, it's a quite interesting thing. You know, I can make up many things. So let me use my line. Here's the line. Okay, that's it. There you go. Okay, so here you can see we made a new high, and then then you could call it a pullback. I would not call it a pullback because again you see this red candle eaten this previous blue candle. Okay, so this is a new trend reversal, then a pullback, then a new low. Okay, now there are two ways to look at it. Okay, in daily chart, the time frame daily, we have two ways to look at it. First is we have completed the uptrend. Then these two red candles in daily have eaten the previous blue candle. Then we made a pullback. Then we made a new low. That is how you look for long trap. Okay, this is scenario one. We are into the downtrend. Now what do you call downtrend session. Okay. So we are going to look for a pullback, and after the pullback, we'll continue the downtrend. Okay, there is one more way to look at it. I have placed this line to confirm you that we have double bottom in the daily chart because this previous red candle did not break this low. You understand? So in daily, we also have a double bottom right now. What does it mean? It means a medium term, short term, maybe for 1 or 2 days, trend reversal. Okay. Or you can call it a pullback as well. So this is scenario one, starting a new trend, pullback, new low, and then wait for the pullback and then go down. Okay, or else because we have a double bottom here, as per my eyes, it looks like a double bottom to me. Okay, so we have a double bottom, which means we're gonna go up slightly. Okay, that is also called a pullback. So we're gonna go up. That's my understanding. And if you want to counter trade, you can enter your trade here. I'll tell you when, and then take your maybe 100 pips. This is a double bottom trade. Okay, trend reversal. So I'm expecting when you will enter the trade, you will be easily able to get like 60, 70, 80, up to 100 pips in this against the trend. Okay, but let's go back to 4 hour. Let's see what do we have in 4 hour. In 4 hour, let me delete the line now. Okay, we don't need the line. I have the eyes. So in 4 hour, yeah, in 4 hour we had the downtrend, then a new uptrend because the previous high was broken. So uptrend, pullback, new uptrend, pullback, and again we're gonna go up. Okay, so we're not gonna enter buy until this price in 4 hour closes above or breaks this previous high. So far so good, right? Be clear. As long the price in 4 hour is below the candle, it's below the EMA, we are not gonna enter buy for swing trading. Okay, so I am expecting the price to close above the EMA in 4 hour and break the previous high as well. But if I give you the simplest strategy, okay, it's a double bottom. We are expecting a short-term trend reversal. I will go buy in euro USD once I see a blue candle eating this previous red candle. Hear me out again. It's quite simple. These two candles have not eaten the previous red candle yet. So the candle of 6th of May. So let's say today is 6th of May. If today's blue candle eats this red candle, then when the day closes, when the US market closes on 6th of May, early morning 7th of May, as soon the after 1 hour US market closes on 6th of May, after 1 hour, we can enter buy and take our 60, 70, 100 pips in counter trade, and we're good to go. Okay. So why am I saying you, asking you to trade against the trend? Because we have a double bottom. That's why. Okay. So we have a double bottom, which means short-term trend reversal, and overall trend is still up. We are still long way, we are still long way up. Before reaching or touching down this EMA. Okay. So weekly is still uptrend. Okay. Daily is still uptrend. 4 hour is down, but in 4 hour I have shown you that these have, even this one did not break the previous low. So if I check, this one is 13,005, this one is 13,025. Okay. So even this is a double bottom. So this candle did not break this previous low in a 4 hour as well. So in 4 hour we have double bottom, as you can see these two. Okay. And in daily chart as well, we have double bottom. So I am assuming we are gonna go up maybe for 1 or 2 days. Okay. Maybe at least for 24 hours we're gonna go up. That's my understanding. And as I said, don't try to look for a lot of pips, but as soon. Okay. Don't worry about the 4 hour. I will tell you to get the entry in daily chart. So once we have a blue candle eating this previous red candle, that's where you enter after the close of the candle, and I take your minimum is 60 pips, but max it can go up to 100 pips, and that's your free trade. Okay. So if you like what you see, doesn't really matter actually, because if you can get this knowledge, okay, what I'm giving you for free, this costs you thousands of dollars. Okay. Trust me, you know that. I don't have to say this. Okay. You know it. What I'm telling you, it costs you thousands of dollars what you're listening from me for free. Okay. Subscribe, like, share this content with your friends who are into trading, because not many people are doing this, especially for free. Okay. And one more thing here, what I'm telling you right now is depending on when I'm recording the video. Okay. So I'm recording the video at a different time, you're watching the video at a different time, and the market is going live, or maybe we take trades at a different time. Okay. So things might change. I'm telling you everything what I see right now, depending on that. Okay. So if you want to get the maximum benefit of live trading, make sure you check out the first link below at the monthly membership, where I can keep you updated live and give you signals and everything. Okay. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.